and Kip, episode 19, A Bunch of Sticks. Bud was reading a book in her nest. Kip came up the tree. He was carrying a bunch of sticks. "Good morning, Bud," said Kip. "Good morning, Kip," said Bud. Kip went back down the tree. Then he came up the tree again. He was carrying more sticks. Said Bud. "I wonder what Kip is doing." Bud went back to read her book. Crash! "Ouch!" cried Bud. "Please be careful, Kip." "Sorry about that, Kip," said Kip. Bud flew up to Kip's branch. "What are you doing?" asked Bud. "I am collecting sticks," said Kip. "Why do you need sticks?" asked Bud. "I'm building something," said Kip. "I need a lot of sticks for it." "What are you building?" asked Bud. "A nest," said Kip. "I am building a nest for myself."